What scrap-a-lackin', scrappers? Are you ready to make some money? We are going to be scrapping today a DVD-ROM. Just a regular old DVD-ROM. This one still has the metal casing on it. So let's get to breaking it down. See what we got for scrap. I believe we scrapped, this is number 21 of these from the library job. So we're going to take our little screwdriver, a little tiny Phillips bit, bust that off. We got some metal, tin, light steel, whatever you'd like to call it. All right, now we got little tiny ones. I'll bust these out. See what's inside, shall we? Those are tiny. Pop that off. Oh, we got a secret one in here. No, that's just our motor. Okay, pry this thing open. Pops open. Where's our magnet? Don't. Nope. Aluminum. Alrighty. And then if you just kind of pop it open, this part will slide out. And they got a little piece of tape that holds it here. And again, get that open. Some of these are gold. Some of them are not. We shall find out in 1 second. We've got a little low grade board here. Pop that off. Let's see. Oh, that one is gold. A little gold ribbon. And we got more aluminum. This board really doesn't have much on it. Nothing that I'm going to be worried about. It does look like it's copper bearing. That's not what I'm after. Or actually, no. Alright, so now we just got to take this metal housing out to get at our electric motor and our eye. So we'll unscrew this. More tiny fillets. Screws. And this is just the way I've done it. They don't really take me that long. So that's why I'll break them down to a certain point. And I'll tell you how I get my money for it. Just like anything with scrapping, the more you have, the more, like, I mean, you gotta go bring in 5 of these. I'm not. I'm waiting till I get a whole bucket or a whole truckload. More aluminum. So then inside now we have our motor and our eye, and this will just kind of pop out. There is a very small copper bearing motor. You can pull that off if you want. It's me personally. I am just going to pop it out, and it's going to go in. This wee little tiny one is just going with my electric motors. This is garbage. I mean, unless you really want to go crazy and start pulling these off. If they fall off, I will. Aluminum. But I'm not going. Oh, I did. I went crazy. I couldn't help myself. All that scrap. I had to have it. I have to have it. All right. So then we go back to this bad thing. Bad little mamma jamma. And it's got a couple screws here to get the motor off. Pop that. And now we're going to pull these off. That's gold. I mean, I put all these ribbons. I have another little bucket full of these. eBay, eBay, eBay. Somebody wants to mess with them. I personally don't. That one's gold too, as you can see. So that will go with the rest of the ribbon once I get it off. Electric motor. And then there's another screw down in here. But once you take that one off, where is it? Oh boy. Once you take that one off, oh, you can either break it or fight with all the little screws. And then you got more plastic. And let's see. And then you got another little electric motor. These rods are brass. You can snip that out if you'd like, but for me, it goes with my copper bearing motors. And then these, since it has the gold, and then if you break all these down inside here on the sides of the little reader eye, you can recover gold from them. Me, I don't do gold recovery, so I have a whole box full of these. Since this is, I think this is the last one. So this will go to eBay. This will go to eBay. Those are just big weight totals. I'll wait till I get anywhere from 5 to 10 pounds or more if I can. But right now I think we're working around 10-pound market. So for steel, we've got on this particular one, we have 3.8 ounces aluminum. We have 2.3 ounces. And copper bearing motors, 1 ounce. I'll take it. It all adds up. We almost had a pound. And then these little doodads, the reader eyes, weigh 0.5 of an ounce. And that's just not going to read. I'm going to go put these in the buckets and keep filling them up. So please like, subscribe, comment if you want. If you guys got a different way of doing this or maybe something I'm missing, please let me know. Or if you have any questions, I'll try to help the best I can. Thanks for watching. And we'll keep adding it to the total. Man, I love scrapping. I hope you guys do too. Catch you next time.